Hey, do you want to create some cool architectural arrows for your designs? Just like this. If you're wondering why I'm making this video, well, during my presentations I used to waste so much time searching for the perfect arrow PNG on Google. There were just too many options, and honestly it got confusing. I'd spend way too long deciding, and in the end it was just a waste of time. But then I learned how to create my own arrows. And trust me, it changed everything. I started custom making arrows for my architectural sheets. They were quick, looked great, and I could save them as high-quality PNGs for later use. So in this video, I'll be teaching you a beginner-friendly way to create arrows. Let's get started. First, select the paintbrush tool and adjust its size according to your preference as shown in the screen. Paintbrush tool allows you to draw a straight line by holding down the Shift key while dragging the brush. When using the paintbrush tool, if you click on one point, then hold the Shift key and click on a second point, Photoshop automatically creates a perfectly straight line connecting the 2 points. We'll use this Photoshop feature to create different arrow outlines with precision. Let's create an arrow similar to this one using Photoshop. Use the rectangular marquee tool to select the head of the arrow, then press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste it. Next, press Ctrl+T to transform, rotate it, and align it as shown on the screen. Then, select the paintbrush tool, hold Shift, and drag from top to bottom to create a perfectly straight line. Finally, merge the 2 layers. Now, let's learn the flip horizontal and flip vertical commands. Copy the image by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Press Ctrl+T to enter transform mode. Right-click on the image and choose flip horizontal. If it doesn't work, try flip vertical. Align both parts properly and merge the layers. Finally, use the magic wand tool to fill the arrow with any color. If you want a genuine pencil texture look, you'll need to invest in a pen tablet. Follow the same process as before, but this time we will be applying some layer styles. Do you know what type of arrow I'm making? It's used to denote rite of passage in architectural site analysis. Similar to this, there are many other arrows, each with a different meaning in an architectural site analysis sketch. Let me show you some of them. Types of arrows and their meaning in site analysis. 1. Public access. 2. Pedestrian access. 3. Viewpoints. 4. Right-of-way. 5. Vehicle access. 6. Obstruction. 7. Plants. 8. Vegetation. Apply a layer style to enhance the arrow. Start with the stroke effect and see how it blends. If it doesn't achieve the desired look, try applying a gradient instead. A color gradient helps with dim and hard colors in arrows by creating a visual hierarchy. Gradients emphasize direction, naturally guiding the viewer's eye. Again, we'll be using Photoshop's straight line technique to create an arrow. This time, we'll apply a pattern overlay to it. But before applying pattern overlay, you must first fill the inside of the arrow with any solid color, as shown. The solid color must be filled in a new layer with no other components. White is the preferred color. Similarly, I want to apply a pattern here as well. Since it's an architectural arrow, adding lines or cross-hatching inside will make it more visible. It looks good, but adding an outline stroke will enhance it even more. Lastly, if you're not satisfied with your arrow in a flat composition, you can enhance its appearance by adding a drop shadow. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.